Hi guys, in this video I will show how to install new feature battery for smartphone Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco. New feature with new operation system HyperOS for smartphone Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco. How to install now for smartphone Xiaomi, Redmi and Poco MIUI 14, Android 16. Subscribe my YouTube channel Techno Smart. Let's go! You need to update security application last China version by operation system HyperOS. OK. Finish install testing security app info version 8.2.6. Download this China version. Work global. My Telegram Techno Smart. Link will be in the info box. After install testing, go security, battery, new mode, set, balance set, battery saver, ultra battery saver and performance mode testing. OK. Balance set, battery saver. OK. And ultra battery saver. OK. Exit this mode, top right. Click exit, wait. And next new feature security, battery, additional feature, night mode, automatically turn off some feature to save battery when sleep is detected. On this feature very good. And turn off mobile data when device is locked, time, and clear cache when device is locked. You need to install this update. You need security, click app info, bottom install update. OK. And application security return to old version. Testing, no new feature. Old design, no new feature. My version old 8.0.4. Subscribe my YouTube channel Techno Smart. See you in new videos.